Hey guys, welcome to TechSole YouTube channel. This is Rahul here, and today in this video we'll be doing the quick unboxing and review of the Oukitel WP30 Pro rugged smartphone. So let's get started.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
The Oukitel WP30 Pro features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate support, and it also has a small 1.75-inch secondary screen on the rear panel that looks quite stunning. The phone is powered by Mediatek Dimensity 8050 chipset coupled with Mali G77 MC9 GPU. Let's take a look at the Antutu benchmarking score for this device. The Antutu benchmarking score for this device came out to be pretty decent, as expected. The smartphone packs with 12GB of LPDDR4 RAM that can be extended up to another 12GB by using internal storage, and it has 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, it has 108MP primary sensor along with the 20MP night vision camera and a 5MP macro lens. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top center. The handset runs on Android 13 out of the box, and it comes backed by a massive 11,000 mAh battery with 120W rapid fast charging support. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 177.4 by 83.6 by 19mm, and it weighs around 413.8 grams. The Oukitel WP30 Pro has been priced at $599.99, but for first 300 customers it will be available at a discount price of $299.99. And further, if you like the device, I have provided the link in the description below, so go and check it out now before the offer ends. So that's it in this video guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.